Are you hosting the next big game at your place? And you're trying to figure out what you want to make? Guys, come on over to my website and check out all the awesome ideas I've got to help you out. I got some great game day food ideas to share with you. They've already been posted. They're easy to find on my website as well as my YouTube channel. So, in the spirit of the normal stuff I do, head on over to kcknh.com, find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. When you head over to the website, guys, head on to the top. You can either search by recipes, there is a search engine at the top, or you can just scroll through and see what we have available. I got it all set up under categories, and we've got some extra photos to show you what's out there for some ideas that you're looking for. Now, naturally, we want finger-licking good food, so we're going to take a look at a variety of chicken wings. We've got a dark cherry bourbon Dijon. How about these Persian-inspired wings? They're very, very good, guys. And of course, Chinese New Year's around the corner, so I got some orange tamari. And I love a good grill, so check out these barbecue ribs, guys. And you can't deny the awesomeness of a charcuterie board and delicatessen platters because they do make it so easy for you to do. And of course, if you're looking for foods that might need some utensils and hands, build your own tacos. Everyone loves good old-fashioned tacos. I happen to like shrimp and scallop tacos myself. And I always love making fresh salsa. Whether it's with fruit or not, it doesn't matter. And of course, meatballs are a great game day food. We have a couple of varieties available for you. And with a little kick, a mango habanero salsa for those that like a little spice in their life. And who can deny deviled eggs, guys? And it's wintertime for us here in New England, so chowders really hit the spot. And of course, we also have little slices of love. Can you imagine? Put out a flatbread pizza on the table. Build it your way. Pop it in the oven, and you got yourself one hell of a meal. Or you can make a whole bunch of them and let people slice it up, and they can get their own. You can even do crostinis. You could do something simple as a caprese. Either way, I have solutions available for you. You can get that on the table, and then you can join your friends to enjoy the game. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as always, guys, happy cooking.